What if I told you that a completely free AI tool could help you build a YouTube channel making $77,000 a month? Sounds like clickbait, right? But this is real, and I am going to prove it. In the last 60 days, a new wave of creators has emerged. They're not using expensive software. They're not hiring teams. They're using Claude Code, a free AI coding tool to automate and scale their YouTube operations. The results? Channels generating tens of thousands of dollars monthly with minimal effort. In this video, I am going to break down exactly how they are doing it, step by step, tool by tool, and I will show you how you can copy this strategy starting today. Stick around because I will reveal the one automation that saves 30 hours per week. Let us go. Now, what is Claude Code? It is a free AI assistant that can write code, build tools, and automate workflows. Most people use it for programming, but smart creators are using it to build YouTube bots, analytics dashboards, and content generation systems. And the best part, it is completely free. Here is the strategy. Step 1. Automate your research. Claude Code can scrape YouTube for trending topics in your niche. It analyzes what is working and gives you a report of winning video ideas. No more guessing. No more copying competitors. Step 2. Automate your scripts. Claude Code can write YouTube scripts based on viral frameworks. It understands hooks, retention curves, and pacing. You give it a topic. It delivers a script that keeps people watching. Step 3. Automate your thumbnails. Claude Code can generate thumbnail concepts with descriptions. You just feed it the title, and it suggests visuals, text overlays, and color schemes that get clicks. Step 4. Automate your SEO. Claude Code can write titles, descriptions, and tags that rank. It analyzes your competition and suggests keywords you can actually win. Step 5. Automate your analytics. Claude Code can pull your YouTube data and tell you exactly what to fix. Retention drops? CTR low? It gives you actionable steps to improve. Now, here is the real secret. The $77,000 a month channels are not just using Claude Code. They are building custom workflows that combine Claude Code with other free tools. They automate everything from research to publishing. They spend one day setting up the system and then let it run. That is how they scale. Now, I know what you are thinking. I don't know how to code. You do not need to. Claude Code does the coding for you. You just describe what you want in plain English, and it builds it. So here is the 3-step blueprint to get started. Step 1. Create a Claude Code account. It is free. Step 2. Ask it to build a simple YouTube automation tool. For example, write a script that scrapes the top 10 videos in the tech niche and extracts their titles. Step 3. Run the tool and use the data to make your next video. That is it. You do not need to be a programmer. You do not need to spend money. You just need to start. Now go start building your YouTube automation. And I will see you in the next one.